Right now, we have two condo projects dito sa Amaya Coast. Yung isa, yung Aquafun Village, is the one that's next to the water park. So collectively, yung condo projects, yung Aquafun and the other amenities, including yung bagong budget hotel, that will be called Aquafun Village. So may pre-selling tayong condo units yun. Then another one is the Golf Villas. Yun naman yung nasa golf residences natin. Ang ganda ng location niya din kasi it's right next to the commercial center, yung Golf Town commercial natin. And nandun nga siya sa golf residences para siguro naman sa mga golf enthusiasts natin. Gusto nila maglaro sila for a day and then relax na lang sila gabi tapos beach, di ba? Right now, we are selling 3 types of unit. We have the studio, 23 square meters yan. We have the 2BR, 45 square meters. And we also have the 3BR, 68 square meters. The price starts at 5.75 M.